You got it, Mom. There's one right underneath her.
Look at
Good
that.
job, girls. Let me, Adley, look right in front of you.
Alert! Alert! Look at that crab!
Whoa!
Look at that crab!
That's a crab.
Watch, I'll show you. I'll show you. It's gonna fit.
It's very, very shallow.
Yeah, you could like almost touch the bottom.
We're like in the middle of the lake.
A butterfly in the middle of the ocean.
I see a pilot ship sinking underwater.
That was so cool.
Oh, this is big.
Throw it right here, see? Where the sharks are. There you go, right here.
There it is. Oh, perfect. Put it in.
Whoa! He saw a manatee.
I see him.
You look like a Dracula with a dingle hop. Ooh. Oh, I like your dingle hop. How's that spaghetti? Whoa, 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 no, Sam, please. We're done. Okay. No, okay, we're done. Oh, yeah, Niko. That was so good.
And then it's 3 big shells, which that makes our tower. I'm so big. And this is Hi, baby.
I miss you.
I miss you too.
Mommy wants a kiss.
Even when
Niko wants a kiss.
It's flying out.
Hey,
Wait,
grab
are
it.
you serious?
Pull it up.
Ooh, let's grab one for good luck.
We're starting the day with good luck and a boat ride. We're going on a good old-fashioned pirate adventure today. And I still got my pirate hair.
Today's the adventure day where we're gonna do 10 adventures.
Yeah.
Sandy here.
You got a super sandy one? It's a good luck shell.
Look at that crab.
Whoa!
Look at that crab.
That's a crab.
Alert! Alert! Look at that crab.
What? A million fish?
Alert! Alert! Alert!
Can you see all those? There's lots of alerts today. It's gonna be an adventure best day ever. We're gonna see cool stuff like another fish.
We're gonna see like crabs and turtles, and maybe we can see some like shells and get some shells. Come on, Niko. We still need to know what that.
Good job, Niko. Yeah, Niko's being careful today, huh, bud?
It's a kind of old rusty bridge, but
Yeah,
we gotta be careful.
it's true.
Jenny, Adley, Niko, Sean. Niko and Sean.
And the vlog. What's up, boys?
Smells a little fishy in there.
Is that our fish food or our real food?
Oh, well,
All right, we're getting life jackets on.
That's Papa's. Yeah. Watch, I'll show you. It's gonna fit.
Oh, yeah.
Look, they couldn't belong together. Look,
Aww.
a clam.
They're a family.
They're our lucky shells.
Aww.
You go up? You wanna come snuggle? Oh, there's Niko. Vlog, everyone's on me. All right, next stop, somewhere cool.
Dad, it's very, very shallow.
Yeah, you could like almost touch the bottom. That's cool.
I don't even think I need my floaties.
Yes, you do. We're in the ocean.
We're like in the middle of the ocean lake.
We really are. A butterfly in the middle of the ocean. Woo! He wanted to come say hi to the vlog.
Wow. I see birds home. Look, over there.
There it is, right over there.
Protecting the area. This is so the sharks don't eat you.
Yeah.
Oh, shark repellent.
And if they do, then we're gonna adhere about it. Yeah, I guess. turtle. You see the turtle?
It's a turtle.
Oh yeah.
I see a pirate ship sinking
French angelfish, also known as the Spacestation Gaming fish. Good job, I got it. Will you do it? Yeah, I'll give it a shot. Alright, here you go. You held your breath forever! How did he do that? Props for this guy. Jody's a superhero of the sea. That was so cool. That was such a cool shot. I slapped my fish in the steady side of the shark. Look at this delicious fresh pineapple. Very good. That's where we...
Right there, look down. Right there.
Oh,
That's a shark. Did you see that, Niko?
I see a baby one, I see.
A baby what?
Baby shark.
Oh.
Right over. You can see the sharks right next to them.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's insane. Oh, look at this.
So see, they're coming over here. They're like, all right, we're ready.
So you want to
Oh,
go in and then I'll
boy.
pass her to you?
Mom's jumping in. You got it, Mom. There's one right underneath her.
Look at that.
Good job, girls.
Cool. Hey, Niko, come here for me.
Adley, look right in front of you.
Oh, warm water.
Oh.
Underneath.
Is that pretty cool?
Yeah.
Adley, throw it in.
So wait till the shark comes to the surface and then you throw it right in their mouth.
Whoa. Whoa. Good throw.
What is it? Big?
Throw it right here, see? Where the sharks are. There you go, right here.
Throw it in.
Oh yeah, look at those little teeth in there.
Wow, so pretty. Put the vlog down and let's see what the sharks will do with it.
Okay, here you go,
Dad.
sharkies.
Wait, Dad, I think we should put a food on the lens and then...
Put food on, can she put a food on the lens?
Oh, perfect. Put it in.
Whoa, that's such a cool shot. Okay, Adley's getting these shots. Oh, did you get that shot?
Yeah.
This shark footage brought to you by Adley. Oh, Adley's getting the shot.
Don't get eaten, Mommy. The sharks are still hungry.
What do you think?
Oh, so cool.
Bye, Mr. Shark.
Bye.
All right, what was that like?
It was scary, then when we hopped on a boat, it was fun, and it was fun to feed the sharks.
Yeah, we had never done that before. That was your guys' first time too, maybe. You guys got in the water with sharks for the first time with us. That is the coolest thing.
Sure, they go.
Where's the pregnant one?
We saw a pregnant shark, a mama shark. What was your thought swimming with the sharks?
A little nervous at first. You hop in and there's sharks like everywhere. But then you're like, oh, this is fine. They're doing their own thing. Then they start coming at you and like, oh my gosh, okay, swim away, swim away. But they're very friendly.
It is true, they are friendly. That was cool. Adley, you were brave, good job.
Yay. What do Mama do?
They look like really big, like hippos, but they're cows, but they're in the water. It's where we sometimes see manatees.
The colors for manatees are, it's grayish, bluish, greenish, whitish.
Yeah, kind of whatever color you can see them. They're like little sea cows that aren't little. They're ginormous sea cows.
So blue, guys.
And so green and so shallow.
Yeah. See that? It looks not even deep. That's 20 feet deep. It's just so clean and clear that you can see the bottom. I know. We're on a lookout for manatees. Tell me if you see one, vlog.
Tooth fall out? Okay.
Oh, let me see a wiggle tooth check. Oh, it's getting way loose.
So clear. I love it.
Wow.
You like can see everything.
All right, have we seen any manatees?
Not yet.
But I
0
know-
for
I
0.
think they're over there a little bit more.
But I know I'm getting sunburns.
Yeah, I feel it. The sun's hot.
Tangs right on the edge of the coral.
Yeah,
Wow.
looks like a rainbow from up here.
We got our manatee eyes up here. He's gonna spot some. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love it.
If you look in the front of the boat, about 12 feet this way, there's a huge needlefish.
Oh yeah, wow.
Yeah.
Do you see those all the
There's
Oh, right here, guys, manatees behind us.
Oh, he saw a manatee.
About 100 feet that way.
Oh, our guy Jody pulls through.
Put this on so you can spot them
Yeah.
with the polarized glasses.
50 feet out.
Oh yeah.
Let me do it with the vlog.
He might get a chance to jump in, or he might just swim away really fast. I don't know. The good thing is you can see him so well from up here. There's his nose, guys.
I see him.
Yeah, look how pretty. You can see to the very bottom so easily.
It's so pretty. I just want to
Look in the water over here, guys. Starfish. Stand up. And then it's right beside the boat.
Oh, do you see it right there?
Beautiful.
Oh, there's one right there.
And another one right in front of the boat.
Wow.
And another one on the left side.
We're surrounded by starfish. This is amazing. We're here, honey.
You ready to eat this?
We made it. This is the next part of our best day ever. We're on a new island. We're gonna get lunch, do a little exploring, look for shells, all the fun stuff. Vlog, I think I just saw crabs in the sand. Oh, they're moving. They're moving. Wait, those aren't crabs. Those are Niko's toes. All right, this is what lunch is looking like. Good little spot on the beach. What'd you order?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Mom, what'd you get?
Quesadilla.
Quesadilla.
For you.
Oh, we've been all about the, what are these called? Pina coladas. We've been all about them this trip.
Watch this magic trick. I'm gonna make the straw flow all the way into the egg.
By himself, he can make the straw flow. Well, let me get a drink first, though. Whoa, good job, Niko. Check this out. He was in a, here, what was it called?
Lionfish tournament.
A lionfish tournament. Look at this. Oh. All right, so why are you hunting them?
So they're invasive species, so it's our job to try to eliminate them off the reef so they don't eat all the little marine life, right?
Gotcha. That's so cool. He's just spear hunting fish and it's like for a tournament so they help balance out the ecosystem. You know what I'm saying? You ready for some food? Food! You look like a Dracula with a dingle hopper. Oh, thank you. I've been needing to brush my hair. Oh, I like your dingle hopper. All right, these right here are pupusas. They are delicious and cheesy, and they're from El Salvador.
I think there's a puppy right underneath you.
Oh, that's so nice of you to share. And pupusas are perfect for sharing. How's that spaghetti?
You're eating like an animal. They do parasol right now.
These are my favorite.
That'd be cool.
Oh, wow. Sand.
Oh yeah, Niko. Whoa, 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 no sand thieves.
I didn't.
Get your own sand.
I'm sorry.
Chop.
Yeah, you just broke your
I was getting my sand back. All right, Niko, ours is looking pretty big.
Dad, you stole some of ours, so we get to steal some of
Okay,
yours.
and then you stole some of ours, so I'm bringing just a little bit back. Okay,
Stop.
we're done, we're done, we're done. Okay.
No, we're stealing.
No, okay, we're done.
So I'm going to get...
So look how tall ours is, Niko.
I don't know. Ours is looking pretty tall.
Ooh, they're looking about the same.
What's the not that.
Ooh, like a volcano.
Ah!
Oh yeah, Niko.
Stage.
Good idea.
Well, our volcano has lava in it, real lava.
Ooh.
And it's drizzling down. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle.
Oh.
Dad.
We're drizzling lava too. Yeah. Good volcanoes, good sand volcanoes. That's my new favorite thing to make in the sand. Even more fun than castles.
This is the final finish. Lava. Pretend this is lava.
Those volcano noises. That looks so good.
And then it's 3 big shells, which that makes our tower extra special. I'm covering the shells up.
Oh, that's a good idea, like secret protection.
Yeah.
I like this little thingy here. That's pretty cool.
But I like that one with all the rocks and everything and just a little tiny top.
Oh,
Papa says I like this one. Mimi likes
that one.
The shell castle?
guess what? Mine has shells on it, but you have to like my sandcastle and find my shells.
Wow, there's one.
Okay, find another one.
Oh, there's more?
There's 2 more left.
How big were the turtles we saw today?
This big.
Yeah, they were
I think
humongous.
they're as long as me, going all the way to the bottom of
Yeah, those were some big turtles, huh, bud?
Yeah. And big shark.
Yeah, I can't believe you swam with sharks. You're so brave.
Dad, a shark is this big.
I know, those were some big sharks, guys. Some of those sharks were bigger than you are.
I know. The turtles we saw were from my head to my butt. That's what,
Pretty much dry.
I'm a starfish.
Starfish, where are you?
I'll tell you if I see a starfish.
Okay, Adley. Woo! Did you get some sunscreen? Hey, are you on starfish lookout?
Yep.
You look like a starfish. They'll see you and they won't be scared. They'll be like, oh, that's just another starfish.
Whoa, stingray!
Oh, yeah.
Whoa!
Good job, Adley.
Good job. All right, do you remember what that was? A sneeze?
It's a spotted eagle ray.
A spotted eagle ray. So those ones with the spots, pop it up, Brandon. Spotted eagle ray. I think I kind of just saw a starfish. Review the footage. We'll go find another one though, but I think I did see it.
Yeah, Sean's face is funky.
Any starfish out there, Captain?
No.
Right here, Niko.
Oh, look, there's one right there.
2 more right in front of you. 2 more, 5 feet out.
Oh, yeah.
Nah, you're good.
Stop.
And another 2 right there in front of us.
Look
again.
right there.
Oh, see the orange in the
Do you see it?
Oh,
Let's hop in the water and look at some starfish.
It doesn't like that deep.
Yeah, I think we can hop in.
What's this? With my floaties on if I could touch.
Okay, let's do it.
It's only 3 feet.
Okay.
I want my floaties.
Okay.
I'm scared to touch the floor.
I think it's gonna just taste like plant or feel like plants.
Oh, Daddy, will you come in? Ew, gross. I can touch, but I don't want. It's a starfish.
That's pretty cool, huh?
It looks super orange and pokey.
You're out of here. That's cool. We gotta go under real quick and see.
I saw a stingray.
Really?
It had dots on it.
Dot, so it was the eagle one.
Where's this music coming from?
Over there.
Jamming.
Wow, that's the party part of the island. Woo, there's people just jumping off right there.
I'm trying to pull my tooth out.
Wiggle tooth?
I can't do it. I can't do
You
it.
can do it.
I got an idea. I got the good idea.
What?
What if we get a rope and tie it to her wiggle tooth and then tie it to the boat and then the boat will drive it and then her wiggle tooth is gone.
Ooh, that's a good plan. Can we tie your wiggle tooth to the boat?
It's flying out. It's flying out.
Hey,
Wait,
grab
are you
it.
serious?
Pull it up.
Did you do it?
Did that just come out?
Napkin.
What? Oh my gosh.
Got it.
Whoa.
Adley, look, that was barely hanging on. Look at that little piece that was hanging on still.
Wiggle tooth came out in Belize.
Wow.
Wow, that's pretty cool, Adley.
It feels weird now. Mom, you gotta put it somewhere and make it safe.
Yeah, we gotta keep that safe.
Safe place.
I lost
Look,
my...
look at it. Look.
Oh, a stingray.
Mommy, don't drop my tooth.
I already put it away.
You have it? Oh, how does it feel to have your wiggle tooth out?
Not fun. It hurt.
You're brave though. You've swam with sharks and lost a tooth today.
I lost my tooth on a boat in Belize. Kind of cool.
That's
Trip
way
to
cool.
remember.
Yeah.
You swam with sharks today, stingrays,
And
you
lost a
your
wiggle
tooth.
tooth.
Oh, baby. Yeah, you really could slurp a spaghetti.
Oh yeah, you could get a full straw on that thing. This is so fun. I'm glad you guys are here with us. This is a good best day ever.
That one's on vacation.
Oh, a sunken ship, look.
It's in the
One right there.
Oh, I wonder how it sunk.
There for a while.
Look at the other
Look
one.
at that boat.
Ooh, another sunken boat.
Doesn't even look like a boat anymore.
Yeah.
That was cool. Good eye, Niko.
I saw a lot of sunken shell.
Between your hand here, keep your hand flat, and you're gonna stick it out about 2 feet away from, as far as you can from the boat, and about 2 feet off the surface, and then you just wait. They might hit your hand, but they're not gonna bite you. Lower, sir.
Oh. She checks her hand. We're gonna call Maeve.
I hope she answers.
She's gonna see your missing tooth.
Just going to wake up Navy right now.
Oh, perfect.
Allie, guess what? I lost my tooth. We were on a boat and I lost it in the middle of the ocean.
Let me see your hair. Is it braided?
Yeah.
Mom got some?
Even Dad. Oh yeah, we're a twinner family.
Hi, baby.
Hi, Naves.
Hi. I miss
I
you.
miss you too.
Hi, Naves.
Yeah,
We love
fun.
you.
We'll be home in 2 days.
2 sleeps.
Go sleep 2 times and we'll be home.
Oh.
Are you at Allie's house? Navy, let me see. Is that Allie's house? We miss you, Navy. Can I get a kiss?
Mommy wants a kiss.
Niko wants that.
Nisa wants a kiss.
Navy, look. Look at Adley. She lost a tooth.
Oh, look. Allie's tooth. Allie, guess what? Niko swam with sharks. He was brave and swam with sharks.
Yeah.
And guess what? The sharks were this big.
My goodness, that's bigger than you.
Allie, we didn't know manta rays and manatees are different things, so we thought we were swimming with a stingray manta ray, but we were swimming with a manatee, which is kind of a walrus. Then we swam with a manatee.
It was so cool.
Crazy, huh?
We have got lots to share with you when we get home.
You're gonna love watching this best day ever. And so's Naves.
I love you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Mwah. I love you, Naves. Did you have a fun day, bud?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part of the day?
I just miss me.
Me too.
My favorite part of the day was the whole boat ride.
I know,
That's
the
pretty
boat
much-
was fun.
That's pretty much the whole day.
I know, just exploring, looking for animals.
The coolest animal I saw was manatees.
That was really
that was
cool.
cool. I had never seen one
And
of
the
those.
giant shark.
And the giant sharks. You swam with sharks, you crazy boy.
Yeah, turtles, stingrays, eagle rays,
Yeah, we saw
What
3
else?
different
Sea
types of
turtle.
rays.
and a bunch of crazy
Oh,
colored
the
looking
starfish.
fish. Cool
You're a
people.
cool guy. Jody, thanks for the trip today. I hope you and your family loved this video. And you got to be in it. How cool is that? Their dad got to be in our videos. I bet they're way excited. Thank you guys for spending the best day ever with us.
Yeah.
I think this is our last one, and then we're headed home.
Nope, tomorrow we have one more.
We gotta
Maybe
do
we'll-
something fun.
What are we going to do tomorrow?
We're gonna celebrate Mimi's birthday.
Oh, yeah, we are going to celebrate
yeah.
Mimi's birthday. Oh, I brought our new game, Best Games Ever. Should we play that?
Yes!
Yeah, I think by the time we get back home, it will be time for our new winter workshop to be open with all the new stuff that we made.
Yay!
All right,
lot
should
of
we
fun.
end this best day ever?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Wait.
Whoa, wait, what? Pause this.
Freeze.
Okay, play.
Play.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Good job, guys. We're back in Utah vlog, and we're launching this thing. It's our family board game. Oh, I had a backwards. Best games ever. And we're getting ready to launch, and we have an app and the actual thing on our... Oh, she's in the middle of it. Sorry, did I ruin that?
Hi.
Hi. She's talking about best games ever right here. Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, toss it over.
Tell them all about that. I'll pop up this footage right now at the end of this vlog. We'll tell you all about it, but I'm happy to be home. Hey, welcome home.
Hey, thanks.
Our family loves to play board games. We love to get together and have fun.
We're always playing games. We're a game family. When me and Jenny were dating, we'd always play games back and forth, and we'd keep track, and whoever would get to pick the next date was based off who won the game. So we've always been a games family. Playing with our kids, we started inventing our own games with the little magnetile blocks where we just set toys on them and roll the dice and just we make up the rules as we go. So from idea to actual board game, I think first step was we had to actually play something and see if it would work. So we took all these little ideas to our A4 retreat, and we got all the A for Adley and Spacestation apps, people to like just hypothetically play these games that might work. That's how the game actually started, from an idea to trying to play it, and then it went to labs who can actually create the window clings and the sticker books and the cool case it's in. We wanted it in a nice case so you could travel with it and like keep it for a long time.
So best games ever, here it is. It's so fun and it's colorful and you have all these magnetiles, and you can put them in different places.
We want you to play this as a family in person, like moving things around, but also there's situations where you're like traveling or you're on an airplane. We want you to be able to bust it out and play it digitally, and also IRL with family and friends.
This is the app right here. So exciting, look cute, they match. I feel like you get different experiences with the physical game versus the app.
We made the decision to keep that completely free. Parents, you're welcome. Kids, you're welcome.
We just wanted this to be the best experience for you guys, so we made everything free and no ads and none of that. So we hope you guys can enjoy it and love to play it and love having your kids play it. We just wanted the best experience for you guys.
Overall, the ultimate purpose of Best Games Ever is to bring our community together, like families and the kids who like watching our family cartoons and our Adley videos. Anytime you get to spend with your family and have fun and laugh, if we can create something that brings that group of people together to do that, that'd be cool. We're gonna make more Best Games Ever, not just this one. Thanks for being part of our community and keep watching the videos. We're drizzling lava too.